Hey everybody, thanks for your interest in mastering LinkedIn step by step. Many people create their LinkedIn profiles and never really learn about the powerful stuff the platform can do for marketers. They confuse it with social media sites like Facebook, thinking it's just another place to connect with their friends and so on. They would be wrong. LinkedIn is the largest business-to-business networking site in the world. Yes, it's a place to find a job or to even hire an employee, but it's very useful for that, but it is also one of the largest searchable prospect databases available to the public. With over 600 million subscribers, 260 million of which are active each day, it's not hard to understand that 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn. In this course, you're going to learn how to turn LinkedIn into a lead generation machine without having to pay for ads, although I will cover how to place paid ads on LinkedIn. Messaging is always important in successful marketing campaigns. It's no different on LinkedIn. You're going to learn how to convey your messages via your LinkedIn profile and to optimize it step by step. Next comes targeting. Using LinkedIn's two most powerful tools, you'll learn how to deliver your message to your perfect prospects using Campaign Manager, that's for paid ads, and Sales Navigator for organic lead generation. I will then dive into a step-by-step process for finding, approaching, engaging, qualifying, and closing prospects, and all without spending a dime on advertising. Finally, using a workshop format, I'll get you to take action, getting you to take the first steps towards leveraging the power of LinkedIn. Let's get started.